Morning dear students, today we are going to do the English annual revision of chapter number 6, that is Gandhiji Truthfulness. Students, in this video we are going to discuss the book exercise as well as the question answers related to this chapter for your annual exam. So let's get started. First we will see the book exercise. So students, put the finger where I am reading. Ticked right against the correct option. Here 3 options are given and you have to choose one of them. So first, the name of the little town was where Gandhiji was born, that is Porbandar in Gujarat. Mohan was impressed by the famous king. What was the name of the king? Raja Harishchandra. The full name of Mohan was that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So we have to choose Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He finally gave his life for India's what? For India's freedom. Now students, we will come to true and false. So first, the inspector gave Mohan's class a maths test. So what he has given to the class? The test of English, a spelling word. So here false will come. Raja Harishchandra lost all his earthly belongings for the sake of truth. It is true? Yes, it is true. Masterji noticed that Mohan had got all his spelling rights. Is it right? No, Mohan one spelling is wrong. So we do here, that is false. Masterji wanted Mohan to copy from his neighbor's slate. This is right? Yes, this is right. So here true will come. Mohan did what the teachers told him to do. Teachers told him to cheat from the neighbor's slate. Did Mohan do? No, Mohan did not do. So here false will come. Mohan said that copying from another's slate will be cheating. Yes, it is true. Mahatma Gandhi is regarded as the father of the nation. Yes, we call Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation. So here also true will come. Now 8th one. Gandhiji gave his life for the freedom of a country. It is the true statement. So here true will come. Now students, the next we will move to, that is the fill in the blanks using the words. Here words are given and you have to fill from them up according to the sentence. So the first one is Mohan was inspired by the king Harishchandra. Raja Harishchandra lost his dash for the sake of truth. Kingdom. Masterji wanted to impress the inspector. Copying from another's slate will be cheating. He is lovingly called Babu by his countrymen. Gandhiji led Indians in a non-violence fight for independence. Now student, we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. So the first question is that where was Mohan born? What was Mohan's full name? So Mohan was born in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohan. Students, the next question is that who was Harishchandra? So answer, Harishchandra was a famous king who is famous for his honesty and truthfulness. Now, what did Mohan decided very early in life? So answer, Mohan decided in his life to be truthful and honest. Now question number 4. When the teachers looked at Mohan's slate, what did he notice? So when teachers looked at Mohan's slate, he noticed that Mohan had made a mistake in one of these spellings. Next question is that why did Mohan not copy from his neighbor's slate? So answer will be that Mohan did not copy from his neighbor's slate because he did not like to cheat anybody come what may. Okay, so that means what may means that उसे जो आता था that one only that he will write. He do not cheat from the neighbor's one. Now Why is Gandhiji called Bapu by his countrymen? So, Gandhiji is called Bapu by his countrymen because Bapu is a word which means father and was a polite form given according to the age and position. Now, students, the question answers as well as the book exercise we have decided in this video, and if you have any doubt or query related to that, you can ask me anytime.